Cooperative federalism is a system of government in which national, state, and local governments share responsibilities and work together to create and implement policies. Unlike dual federalism, where each level of government operates independently, cooperative federalism promotes collaboration in areas such as education, transportation, and public welfare. In this system, different levels of government provide funding, resources, and expertise to address national and regional issues more effectively. Cooperative federalism ensures that policies reflect both national interests and local needs by encouraging joint decision-making and shared responsibilities. Now let's look at an example of cooperative federalism in action. One example of cooperative federalism is the management of transportation infrastructure. The national government provides funding through grants, while state governments oversee highway construction and maintenance, and local governments regulate traffic and zoning. Another example is public education, where national, state, and local governments work together to set academic standards, provide funding, and administer school programs. Additionally, disaster relief efforts demonstrate cooperative federalism, as national agencies, state governments, and local authorities collaborate to coordinate emergency response, distribute aid, and rebuild communities. These examples highlight how different levels of government can work together to achieve common goals. Now let's explore some benefits of cooperative federalism. One benefit of cooperative federalism is that it allows for a more efficient use of resources by combining the efforts of different levels of government. By working together, governments can address complex issues such as healthcare, environmental protection, and infrastructure development more effectively. Another advantage is that it encourages flexibility, as policies can be adapted to fit both national priorities and local conditions. Additionally, cooperative federalism fosters innovation by allowing different governments to share successful strategies and develop better solutions. This approach helps create policies that are more responsive to the needs of citizens. However, cooperative federalism also has some weaknesses. One weakness of cooperative federalism is that it can create conflicts over power and decision-making. Since multiple levels of government are involved, disagreements may arise over funding, responsibilities, or policy implementation. Another challenge is that coordination between national, state, and local governments can lead to bureaucratic delays, making it difficult to respond quickly to urgent issues. Additionally, reliance on national funding may limit the independence of state and local governments, as they may have to follow national guidelines that do not always align with local priorities. While cooperative federalism promotes collaboration, it can also introduce complexities that slow down progress. Now let's compare cooperative federalism with dual federalism. Cooperative federalism differs from dual federalism, which is a system where national and state governments operate independently within their own areas of authority. In dual federalism, often called layer cake federalism, each level of government has distinct responsibilities and little overlap. For example, under dual federalism, state governments would have full control over education and transportation without national involvement. In contrast, cooperative federalism, known as marble cake federalism, blends responsibilities and encourages collaboration. While dual federalism provides clear boundaries between government roles, cooperative federalism allows for greater flexibility and joint problem solving. Both systems have advantages, but cooperative federalism is often preferred for addressing nationwide challenges that require coordinated efforts.